Hey everyone, ever wonder how MRI can see inside your body without a single cut or X-rays? It's like magic, but it's actually science. Today we are breaking down how MRI works in just 5 minutes. First, let's talk about the star of the show, hydrogen atom. Your body is mostly water, and water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. These hydrogen atoms have tiny protons that act like little magnets. Normally, these protons spin every which way, but when you slide into an MRI machine, its super strong magnetic field, which is thousands of times stronger than Earth's, lines them up like soldiers. This is called alignment. Now, here is where things get exciting. The MRI machine sends a quick radio frequency pulse like a tiny energy shoot that knocks these protons out of alignment. They start ovaling or precessing like spinning tops about to fall. When the pulse stops, the protons relax back into place, releasing energy as they go. This energy is what the MRI machine detects to create images. So, how does the MRI machine send an RF pulse? An MRI machine produces an RF pulse by sending a current through a specialized coil called a radio frequency coil or RF coil, which generates an oscillating magnetic field perpendicular to the main magnetic field within the scanner, causing the protons in the patient's body to flip and align with the RF pulse. RF coils may serve as transmitters, receivers, or both. RF coil generates radio waves at a specific frequency, the same frequency at which the hydrogen protons are ovaling in the magnetic field. There are several types of RF coils, each designed for specific purposes. We have body coils, surface coils, phase array coils, and specialized coils for specific body parts. Each coil is carefully designed to optimize signal quality and image resolution. But wait, how does MRI machine know where those signals are coming from? That's where gradient comes in. The MRI machine uses magnetic gradients to create a map of your body. By tweaking the magnetic field in different directions, the machine can pinpoint exactly where the signals are coming from. It's like creating a 3D puzzle of your body, one slice at a time. Now let's talk about the images. Depending on how we time the radio frequency pulses and measure the signals, we can create different types of images, like T1 weighted and T2 weighted. T1 weighted images are great for seeing anatomy. Here, fat looks bright and water looks dark. T2 weighted images are perfect for spotting fluid and inflammation. Here, water looks bright and fat looks dark. This is how doctors can tell the difference between tissues and spot problems like tumors or injuries. Let's see this in action. Here is a brain scan. On the T1 weighted image, the fat-rich white matter looks bright, while on the T2 weighted image, the fluid-filled ventricles pop out. This is how MRI helps doctors to diagnose diseases, plan surgeries, and even guide treatments. And here you have it, how MRI works in just 5 minutes. From hydrogen atom to magnetic gradients, now you know the science behind this incredible machine. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more science content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.